Stair design. Design a stair of RCC building using the following data. Here, F prime C equal to 3000 psi, Fy equal to 60,000 psi, live load equal to 100 psf. Table 1.1 Design of concrete structure by Nilsson sir. Floor finish equal to 20 psf. Column size equal to 16 inch into 20 inch. Using this data, we will design the stair. This is the plan view of the staircase. This is the cross section of the stair. Here, step size is 10 inch into 6 inch and flight length is 9 feet by assuming Pythagoras theory. Assume slab thickness equal to 6 inch. Inclined length of flight equal to 9 feet. See slide 5. Loads on landing. Self weight of slab equal to 6 by 12 into 150 equal to 75 psf. Floor finish equal to 20 psf. Total dead load equal to 75 plus 20 equal to 95 psf. Live load equal to 100 psf. Factored load Wu equal to 1.2 dead load plus 1.6 live load. So finally Wu equal to 274 psf. Load calculation for flight. Self weight of flight on horizontal projection equal to 75 into 9 divided 7.5 equal to 90 psf. Here 75 psf equal to self weight of slab. 9 feet equal to flight length. 7.5 feet equal to horizontal flight length. Self weight of step equal to half into B into H into unit weight of concrete equal to 31.25 pound per feet. This is the weight of step for 10 inch. Now we need to convert it into per feet, that is for 12 inch. Weight per feet length of step equal to 31.25 into 12 divided 10 equal to 37.5 psf. Self weight of flight equal to 90 psf. Weight per feet length of step equal to 37.5 psf. Floor finish equal to 20 psf. Total dead load per feet equal to 90 plus 37.5 plus 20 equal to 147.5 psf. Factor dead load 1 flight. Wu equal to 1.2 dead load plus 1.6 live load. So finally Wu equal to 337 psf. This is the load 1 landing and this is the load for flight. This is landing length. This is flight horizontal length. Reaction at A and B equal to RA equal to RB equal to 274 into 4.83 plus 337 into 7.5 divided 2 equal to 2587.2 pound. As this is the symmetric diagram, so moment from half of the beam has counted. M 4.83 equal to 2587.2 into 4.83 minus 274 into 4.83 into 4.83 by 2 equal to 9300 pound feet. Moment at center point MC equal to 2587.2 pound into 4.83 plus 7.5 by 2 minus 274 into 4.83 into 4.83 plus 7.5 by 2 minus 337 into 7.5 by 2 into half into 7.5 by 2 equal to 140 kip inch. And this is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you everyone.